In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change image size in GIMP. If you need an image to fit a website, a presentation slide, or a specific layout, resizing the entire image is the simplest and most reliable approach. This process, called scaling, changes the actual pixel dimensions of your file. It's different from zooming, which only affects how large the image looks on your screen, and different from cropping, which removes parts of the image. Here, we're keeping everything in the picture, just making it bigger or smaller. Start by opening your image in GIMP so it's visible on the canvas. With the image active, go to the top menu and click Image. From that menu, choose Scale Image. This opens the Scale Image dialog, which is where all the resizing controls live. In the dialog, look for the width and height fields. You can type in the exact size you want in either field. When you change one, GIMP can automatically adjust the other to keep everything in proportion. To make sure of that, check the little chain icon between width and height. Keep that chain linked to maintain your image's proportions, so nothing looks stretched or squashed. If the chain is linked, entering a new width will update the height accordingly, and vice versa. Next, you can optionally change the unit beside those fields. Pixels are ideal for digital graphics and anything going on a screen. Percent is great for quick scaling, like reducing to 50% or enlarging to 200% without thinking about exact numbers. Inches can be helpful when you're matching a physical size. Pick whichever unit makes your goal easiest to reach, then set the value that fits your needs. When everything looks right, click Scale. GIMP will apply the changes to the entire image. After a brief moment, you'll see the result on your canvas. The whole image is now larger or smaller, exactly as you specified. A quick note on quality. Reducing size typically sharpens detail, while enlarging a lot may introduce softness, because the software has to create new pixels. Small to moderate increases usually look fine, but if you push it very far, expect some blur. That's normal for any image editor. To recap the flow you'll use each time. Open your image, go to Image, choose Scale Image, adjust width or height with the chain linked, optionally switch units, and click Scale. That's all it takes to resize an image cleanly and confidently in GIMP.